Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of Facebook. We go to settings. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Facebook as you see and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by liking.